This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just walked into a Bramble plan, one bedroom. Kitchen is off to my right, and it's a great kitchen. Ton of cabinet and counter space. Kitchen island has a wide breakfast bar lip. There's a deep, wide undermount sink, quartz counters. White on the island and gray below the cabinets. Nice contrast. There's both pendant and track lighting in the kitchen. Tile backsplash, a 5-burner gas range. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Dishwasher in the island. Really appealing kitchen. Plank flooring extends throughout the living area. And you have a spacious living dining area. Wide window looks out to the north, I believe. Lots of flexibility in how you can lay out your furniture in this space. To the left, as you would have entered, is a utility closet with side-by-side washer-dryer, individual hot water heater, shelving up above the washer-dryer. There's a linen closet as I head toward the bedroom and bath. Coat closet on the way into the bedroom. Bedroom is spacious enough for bedding, nightstands, additional furniture. And there are patio doors that step out to the patio. All of the apartments here are going to have either a patio or a balcony. Bedroom is carpeted and has a nice sized walk-in closet. Bath is oversized, has a linen cabinet, deep soaking tub, wide vanity with 2 banks of drawers, nice touch for storage, gray quartz counter, an undermount sink, it's a very appealing one bedroom. Deer Park Crossing has an attractive location, an extensive suite of amenities, and it merits a place high on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.